I'm super excited. I actually found a new quilt-along for the month of August. It's called 30 Days of Improv, and it's hosted/organized by Amanda of Broadcloth Studios and Shannon Fraser of Shannon Fraser Designs. It's completely free, and as a huge added bonus, there's actually a weekly giveaway. I love a giveaway. I'm a sucker for a giveaway, so I'm very excited about that. It's not too late to sign up. If you visit Shannon or Amanda on Instagram, you can click through their link tree and get to their sign up page, or you can follow the link that I'm going to put in this video description. Each Sunday, they're going to send out an email with details about the shape of the week, along with prompts, tips, tricks, and information about the next giveaway and how to enter to win it. I have dabbled here and there with improv piecing, but I've never done anything really in-depth. I haven't done like a big project or anything, just little blocks here and there. So this month with this quilt along, I'm really excited to delve deeper into the process and just dig my teeth into it. It seems like it's going to be a very relaxed and casual quilt along, so I think it'll be a nice way to sort of recover from the rigorous precision of the Laundry Basket Quilt Summer Mystery Quilt. I'm going into this quilt along without any high pressure goals. I just want to follow along and finish the 5 blocks a week. I think it's going to be very achievable, very fun, and a great way to learn a new quilting skill. Here is a quick look at my fabric pull. I just looked through my fat quarter stash and picked out some fabric that's been sitting around for a long time, stuff that I want to use up and move out of my stash. So I have these untouched fat quarters, and then I have, these are just maybe fat eighths, and a little bit of scraps of this black fabric. I still need some sort of accent color in here, something for a little bit of pop and contrast. I just can't quite figure out what color that should be, so I'm a little stuck there. Maybe it'll come to me eventually, I don't know, or maybe this is just it. But my big question for all of you out there is, do you want to see more of this process? Are you even interested in improv quilting? I could film the process of making each block, or I could do sort of a show and tell video at the end of each week just to update you on what I've done. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you want to see more, or is this enough? I'll see you again soon. Bye!